BMW has revealed its new 2024 model year crossovers, the X5 and X6, which now only offer hybrid versions, as their engine lineup has been stripped of non-electrified options. The exterior of the models has only slightly changed, with new two-screen digital clusters installed in the cabin. The X5 and X6 did not receive the new two-story optics of the X7, but their headlights have a narrower shape with twin arrows integrated into them for turn signals. The X5 has a version of the radiator grille with an illuminated grille, and both models have revised front bumpers. The X5 now comes with the X-Line package as standard, and the X6 has the M Sport package in its basic version with a more aggressive body kit and black decor. The X5's restyling has new taillights with an X-shaped pattern and a different bumper. The X6 only has a framing of the exhaust for the exhaust system that has changed. The new interior of the X5 and X6 features the BMW Live Cockpit Plus with a diagonal dashboard of 12 and 3 inches and a 14 and 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The multimedia system has expanded online capabilities, and there is now an option to unlock and start the car from a smartphone. The interior of the refreshed X5 and X6 features a small selector instead of the joystick of automatic transmission, and paddles have been added to the list of basic equipment. The engines of the X5 and X6 are now equipped with a 48-volt starter generator that is integrated into the 8-speed automatic. The X5 and X6 diesel variant, the xDrive 30D, has increased its power output to 298 bhp and 670 Nm, and acceleration time has been reduced to 6.1 seconds. The top version M60i has a completely new V8 4x4 with 530 HP and 750 Nm that debuted on the X7 M60i xDrive. The X5 hybrid, now called the xDrive 50e, has increased power from 286 HP to 313 HP, and the output of the electric motor has increased from 313 HP and 265 Nm to 197 HP and 450 Nm. The maximum range in electric mode has increased from 88 to 110 km on the WLTP cycle, and the power of the AC charger has been increased from 3.7 to 7.4 kW. The main changes in the running gear are the modified stabilizers of transverse stability, and the crossovers expanded their set of features. In terms of design, the new crossovers offer slight modifications, while their interiors and engines have undergone significant changes, making them an appealing choice for those who prefer hybrid vehicles.